JC, you brought your handbag.
Yeah, it's my man purse.
Man purse.
What we're talking about is being able to see what's happening behind you.
We're doing mirrors.
Mirrors.
So, I mean, I see these guys going down the road with their trailers and they put the flicker and they turn. Shouldn't they see what's behind them?
Which sure would be nice. It would be real good for them to see you before they, implant you in the side of their RV.
But here's the problem with these teeny weensy little mirrors that these guys at Ford put on nowadays. Unless you get the full-on blown package, F350, one-tonner,
yeah.
all of those big things, electric, slide out, slide in, whatever. You got little puny mirrors?
Yep.
You got a plan. Please tell me you have a plan.
We have a plan. Because, a lot of your trailers, your truck is only so wide. Your trailer, she's out here. How do you see past that? You don't. We got to get your mirrors further out. And there are a number of ways of doing that. You can get fancy powered ones where you press a button and it comes out. You can do the sleeve-on style. We really like the JR products. Now, the JR products it's not pretty. I'm not ever gonna say it's pretty. It's about the ugliest mirror out there. And you put it on your nice, beautiful truck, she's ugly as can be. But it works on anything, and it gets mirrors further out than I've ever been able to with any other mirror.
Why is it important to get that out? I got a big trailer, I put my flicker on. I know that everybody's gonna give me some space.
You hope. What's important is right now we can see on an angle past your RV. We can't see down your wall. You want to see down your wall to see who's behind you or beside you. And if you use your standard mirrors, you aren't going to see it. Not to mention, it's not exactly legal to actually tow without a mirror that can see down the sidewall.
How do you put this thing on?
Now, these ones here come with these impact plastic fittings that are going to slide onto the mirror. These plastic fittings are actually lifetime warranty, so don't worry about tightening them right down. But you've got two adjustments. So you got one that clamps it down and the other one that adjusts our pitch and everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to start really loose, loosey-goosey. We're going to roughly place the mirror approximately where we want it. You can see there's a downturn like that. So on this side you can go like this, or we could have it come up like that with the mirror the other way, but just like that. We're going to sleeve our wedges in between the mirror and the glass.
That's it?
That's it.
But you can pull it a little further out, and
We can go a lot further out if you really want. So these ones here, we can get way out here if we want to. You can adjust the mirror head however you want at that point. I like it like that so I can see where the lines are on the road and straight down the wall of the trailer. And you can mount this on the bottom of the mirror or the top of the mirror, depending on how your mirror is set up.
And here's where the cool thing is. You got a little handbag for it. When you're done, you can put it in your handbag.
I can put it in my man bag again. If you ever need help, come see the Bucars Parts Department. My name is JC. I would love to help anybody. We can custom tailor or find the perfect mirrors for any vehicle. We would love to help keep everyone safe.